Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you why is Freelancer login failed 2026. There can be several common reasons. Incorrect email or password. Wrong credentials are the most common cause of login failure. Forgotten or changed password. If your password has been reset or forgotten, old details won't work. Account not verified. Unverified email or incomplete account setup can block login. Server or temporary issues. Freelancer servers may be down or experiencing high traffic. Browser or app problems. Outdated browser, app, or corrupted cache can interfere with login. Internet connection issues. Slow or unstable internet can prevent authentication. Security restrictions. Multiple failed attempts or suspicious activity may temporarily lock the account. Third-party login issues. Problems with Google or social sign-in can cause login failures. If the issue continues, reset your password, clear cache, or contact Freelancer support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.